Hi everyone, welcome to VSim Living. Today we are going to do a do-it-yourself project covering items to be stored from your vanity, cosmetic table, basic table, dresser, whatever you prefer to call it, taking those items off the dresser into a container, but making it look appealing at the same time. We're going to use products in your home and pretty much a few basic items you may have to purchase, but not many at all. So we're going to do a project covering hiding these things out of sight into something that's more presentable. And this way people will compliment you on this, not really this, and you don't really want everybody to see this. Get our project started now. Hi everyone. Before we get started on our main project, I wanted to do a small, simple project with you that I discovered this week. So easy, and I'm going to show you right now. I got a pair of chopsticks that came in my takeaway. Now I'm going to recycle it right now, and I'll show you how by opening this. And I found that I have a lot of these ribbons around. So what I did was I ironed these ribbons because I thought I can use them for another project, or I can use it for a nice little gift, or I can decorate my own little items in the home. And another one, they're nice to hold your plant straight if they're falling to the side or growing differently, and they're so easy to store. Once you've done it, opened your chopsticks, got your ribbons in here, find 2 safety pins, pretty much any size. And what I did was pin my safety pins to the side of my table because it's a cloth covered table. Hang my ribbons right there. And the nice thing is, the bigger the pin, the more chopsticks you can store in there. And it's out of sight from the table, and it's hanging very conveniently close, nicely ironed, and they're easy to reach for. There you go. So that's one simple small project that you can do and have your ribbons with you. Now for my next project. To start, the paper we're going to use today is paper that I have from a purchase I made locally, and I thought it was really cute. It's got the dots on it, a little decoration, and that always makes your projects a little, happier. So, but if you like plain paper, that is fine too, because I have that for the bathroom from the first project, if you remember. So I'm going to cut my paper size to accommodate this jar, the one we saw at the beginning of the video, and I'm just going to sift through. Okay, I think this piece will be fine to start. Okay, and the other piece of recycle item I'm going to use is the extra large Ziploc bag I have here. I had brought something in it, and I thought, oh, I'll use that and try and see what kind of design I'm going to get. So I'll show you how to cut that also in a moment. To start our project, of course, we'll find the nicest, straightest side, turn it on the opposite side, put our lid out here, and then I will get my pencil today. You can use a pencil, marker, whatever your choice is. If you're using this as an activity, it would be good if you had different colors so everybody's group looks a little different. Okay, roll it until you get to your length, or I should say the width, because now I'm going to do the length again. Yeah. Okay, so remember to do that, and that will be easy. Don't have a ruler at home right now, so I'm using the spine of my binder, my famous binder. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, there's no pressure. This is your design. It's your way, because your choice, right? Of what you want out there. Okay. Now I'm going to put my recycled paper to the side. And again, to make it a lot easier to do the length and width, what you can do is line up your paper with your plastic. We are going to put the closed edge to the bottom. And yep, practically the same length and width. You can use paper clips, hanger pins, hairpins, clamps, whatever you, small little office clamps you want to use to hold your paper in place. That's up to you. Then we're going to use our scissor, go across. Remember to line it up nicely. There we go. Another piece to the side, making a little room for ourselves. There we go. Now I am going to put my double-sided tape that I love to use on the beginning. There we go. We'll put our nice straight edge at the top. Go around. And I'm going to put another piece of double-sided tape to hold the paper in place nicely. There you go. Just to ensure that it will meet and close properly. There you go. And I just have a little bit left there. This is the nice thing about this two-sided tape. You can lift and restick. There we go. And with the straight edge to the top, it's a lot easier. This way you can cut the bottom here off, the bottom paper. Now your closed edge goes to the top. I'm just going to measure around again. There we go. Yes, perfect. Double-sided tape right there. Your excess at the bottom again. Just put my double-sided tape. I like this, I like using the double-sided tape because it's not messy, but you know, there's times when I like to use glue, but not with this paper because the glue will seep through. I did try it on one of my projects, containers. Just trim off the excess here. And all I could see was glue. I was like, oh no. But because it's mine, I didn't mind because the sets still look pretty. Now there you go. Easy as that. What I want to do is now show you what I'm going to do to the top. What you can do to the top here is, and I have different color markers today. Now I have nail polish and body shimmer and a few things in here. So I'm just going to put stuff. And I'm going to put it in the center of my lid. Now I'm going to use my burlap little rosettes on my lid, outside edge. And you can get these also at any craft or office supply store that has craft accessories there also. So there you go. I chose white. Some places will have different colors, and I put it there in 4 spots. All done. But you can still see my word stuff in there so that I can, when I look down, I can say, oh, there. Okay, that's my stuff. Okay, and that's it. That's it for that little jar right there. Okay, and then you can just trim off anything you see that if you're really picky, because you don't want too much extra hanging over, right? And when your friends see this, they'll say, oh my goodness, where'd you get that? Well, I made that. And that's a great craft to do. Here we go. Everything is finished. The products look wonderful. The rosettes on the edge, one container with a little glitter, one plain and labeled. You can do it however you like, but enjoy doing it. It's a nice craft. You know, each room can have a different design, but it's all up to you. Continue enjoying until. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and come back again. I'll have a nice project you'll really like and enjoy. And again, like, subscribe, comment, and come back. See you soon.